Today we are going to cover city design, and this is another paragraph from reading fill in the blanks because we do have options which we need to drag and drop in the blanks. Reading and writing fill in the blanks, always remember that we do have drop down menu from which we need to choose one of the options. Right, let's read this paragraph. The way we design our cities needs a serious rethink. After thousands of years of progress in urban development, we dash some 60 years ago. Cities are not safer, healthier, more efficient, or more dash. They are getting worse on these measures. The statistics on chronic disease, rising road tolls, and congestion in our urban environments paint a dash future. The clues to why lie in how we think about and design our cities. So we do have options: broad, equitable, plateaued, recovered, bleak, and retarded. Now let's try to understand the meaning of this paragraph. The paragraph discusses the need for a major shift in urban planning, right? After centuries of progress, city development reached a standstill decades ago. Instead of becoming fairer, healthier, and more functional, urban areas face worsening problems such as long-term health issues, rising traffic accidents, and overcrowding. These are just examples. These troubling trends suggest a grim outlook with the root causes linked to outdated approaches in city design. Okay, now try to find a correct option for the first blank. After thousands of years of progress in urban development, we dash some 60 years ago. We plateaued some 60 years ago. Why plateaued? Because it means reaching a point of stagnation after progress, which fits the idea that urban development stopped improving 60 years ago. For example, his career growth plateaued after a few years of rapid advancement. Make sense? The next one is cities are not safer, healthier, more efficient, or more dash, or more equitable, which means fair and just, fitting the idea that cities are not improving in terms of fairness and efficiency. For example, an equitable healthcare system ensures fair access for everyone. Right, let's move to the next one. The statistics on chronic disease, rising road tolls, and congestion in our urban environments paint a dash future. Bleak future. Why bleak? Because bleak describes a grim or discouraging outlook, which matches the negative trends mentioning in the paragraph: chronic disease, congestion, etc. Right? For example, the company's financial outlook was bleak after consecutive losses. All right, the time to understand why we haven't selected these options. Broad means to width or general scope, but does not describe fairness or efficiency, like equitable does. The policy covers a broad range of topics. She has a broad understanding of economics. Next one is recovered. Recovered means regaining progress, which contradicts the idea that cities plateaued. He recovered from his illness after months of treatment. The economy recovered after the recession. Last one is retarded, means slowed down or hindered, but plateaued more accurately conveys stagnation without implying complete backward movement. The lack of funding retarded the project's progress. Poor infrastructure retarded the city's growth. Make sense? So we have ended up with correct options: plateaued, equitable, and bleak.